Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon and tap on it to open the app. Once the application opens, you probably will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see your Balance 2 watch. Now scroll down through this page and find the Unpair button. It's going to be at the bottom. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you can choose data if you want to retain it. Basically, if you, for example, select local music, it will keep your local music on your watch even though you unpair it, and it will reset to the factory default settings. And you can do the same for the map and goals, app store apps, watch faces, and work history, or workout history, my bad. So select the data if you like something, then tap on Unpair, tap on OK, and then tap on Unpair. And the watch will disappear from the app and will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.